These are all empty. So it's time for some reviews. Let's start with skincare. Best cleanser I've ever tried, definitely repurchasing. Hard no. Felt like rubbing lotion on my face. Pretty solid choice. Good for you. These were fun to try. I don't think they're compostable, so I probably would not get them again. But these are compostable, and this is my preferred makeup wipe now. Fragrance-free. I didn't really enjoy this. Very balmy, because it's a balm. Would not get this again. Youth to the People Adaptogen Moisturizer. I would get the full size of this. I would not get the full size of the water cream. I did not even finish this detox mask. The lemongrass essential oil makes you break out. This is my favorite. Gives you a beautiful natural glow, and I have the full size now. For niacinamide, I like the Glow Recipe Dewdrops better, but this is really good. If you want a mask, this is a great one. It's kind of like a mask that turns into a pilled up scrub. It's very interesting, but it made my skin look brand new. This is my favorite toothpaste. Come to part 2 for the rest.